Good day everyone. So my name is Anthony Alvesa and this is my presentation about explaining a specific topic in algebra and trigonometry. So my topic is all about sequence and series. So for today's video we will talk about sequence. So what is sequence? Sequence is a function whose domain is the set of positive integers. So there are three types of sequence. First is arithmetic sequence. So arithmetic sequence whose term after the first term is obtained by adding constant numbers to the preceding term. So constant number is called the common difference. So there are two examples. So 25, 23, 21, 19, and 17. So ato ang pangitawag is common difference. So formula ni is 23 minus 25 equals negative 2. So 21 minus 23 equals negative 2. 19 minus 21 equals negative 2. And 17 minus 21 17 minus 19 equals negative 2. So negative 2 is our common difference. Common difference. So ang ibot diri is nag-minus ta. So our second example is 3, 7, 11, and 15. So 7 minus 3 equals 4. 11 minus 7 equals 4. And 15 minus 11 equals 4. So our common difference is 4. Common difference. So para makita na to ang sunod sa 17, so atong buhaton is ang ingon adding ang constant. So ang 17 plus minus 2 equals 15. So ang kasunod sa 17 daw ay 15. So 15. So ingana ang arithmetic sequence. So the third type of sequence is Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci sequence is a type of series where each number is the sum of the two that precede it. So it starts from 0 and usually the Fibonacci sequence is given by, for this example, so 0 plus 1 equals 1, 1 plus 2 equals 3, 3 plus 5 equals 8, 8 plus 13 equals 21, 21 plus 34 equals 55, 55 plus 89 equals 144, and so on. And that's all my understanding about the topic in sequence. Hopefully you understand it, and thank you and God bless.